What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We've got a quick little video for you. I'm not going to try to drag this out real long, but today we're going to make some modified fixture table clamps for our new table we got recently. We built this table with a buddy of mine. Appreciate him. He supplied us with the 5/8 tabletop and all the stuff that goes along with this. We did go to Harbor Freight, pick up some C-clamps, the locking C-clamps, and like a 12-inch bar clamp. Got a 5/8 rod right here, steel rod. What we're gonna do is modify these clamps to basically work with our fixture table. So give me a minute here, let me get set up, kind of show you exactly what we're gonna do. All right, guys, first thing I did was went and cut some of these little plugs, for lack of a better term, off our 5/8 rod. I marked them off 1 inch, cut them off, kind of cleaned them up a little bit, and this is gonna be what we're gonna use to go down in our hole to give us that friction fit. And go ahead and cut yourself however many you're gonna need of these. Like I said, get them cleaned up, smoothed up, so that they go down in here nice and easy. No issues whatsoever. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna modify one of our clamps. We're gonna start with the clamps. We're gonna come in here. We gotta cut off this, this bottom portion. We're gonna mark it in here, cut it so that we can attach our little plug to it. We'll weld that to it. That'll give us the ability to clamp this thing down on the table. Be well on our way to having us a fixture table accessory. All right, so we went ahead and marked our clamp. Notice the orientation so you don't get this wrong. You're gonna leave all this, but you're gonna cut this bottom piece off, which would normally probably be, honestly, the top if you're using it like a normal clamp. But this is gonna be flipped around. And we're gonna cut this ear off so we can get our little plug prepped for welding. All right, so for reference, we came in here, marked our line, took our cutoff wheel, cut that out of here. What I'm gonna do is get this prepped up, ready to go. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna weld this in just about like that. And that should give us the ability to clamp stuff down to this fixture table. We are probably gonna have to come in here and modify this little ear right here. I'll show you a little bit better when we get there. Probably have to come in here and nip that down so this can articulate a little bit more than it does, and kind of give it the ability to swing around. And anyway, so that's where we're headed. Okay, guys, this is what we did. Came in here, we attached our 1 inch 5/8 diameter rod to our clamp. This is just the initial weld. I may come back around over here, clean that up a little bit more. But just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, how it's supposed to go down in the hole and function. Again, this is my first version of this, so we may end up having to do some revisions, but that should clamp down like that. This is so this is what I'm talking about right here as far as getting this to articulate a little bit better. Coming in here and nipping this little corner off right here so that this doesn't get hung up, and it gives it a little bit more room to pivot around this corner. So let me do that real quick, and then I'll get right back with you. All right, as you can see, I came in here, nipped that little corner off, just briefly cleaned it up real quick, and now that gives us the ability to pivot all the way around. So that should help us when we go to clamp something down. I'll get you at a better angle here in just a second, but as you can see that this thing is gonna pivot much nicer. All right, guys, this is what we came up with. I got a couple pieces of 3/8 plate here stacked up as demonstration purposes. I've got our clamp in our table, again with our modified little end piece there. That gives us the ability to use this and clamp that down. It ain't going nowhere. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I'm gonna go ahead and try to modify one of these bar clamps real quick, give you a demonstration of either one so that you can decide which one you want to do, or you want to do a whole bunch of both of them. So let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is come in here, remove this rivet, or either just cut it off and get this head off of here so that we're not going to need this part anymore. So we can get in here, we cut another 1-inch plug and get ready to prep this and weld it on to the end of the rod here. All right, guys, we attempted to get that rivet out of there. It was just easier just to cut it off with the cutoff wheel real quick and just prep it. So we went ahead and, again, cut another 1-inch piece. We're going to get ready to attach this, and should be pretty simple. All right, guys, we got this kind of set up. We're going to get our Miller-Matic 210 in here. Put a couple little zaps on this thing. One of them just like that. Flip this thing over. Get another one on it. Just like that. All right, y'all, here it is. I mean, not the prettiest thing in the world, but it is functional. It is effective. Slide down in the hole just like that. Gives us the ability to be able to clamp stuff down. Again, that ain't going nowhere. So for $5 for the clamp, a piece of rod, a little bit of cutting, a little bit of welding, you got yourself a little fixture table clamp. I'd say for, you know, $6, $7, $8, something like that. So like I said, it's our first one, so we'll see how this works for us. It looks like it's going to be good. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. I mean, it's pretty solid as it is, so better than what we had, which was nothing. So hopefully this is going to help you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, share it, hype it, subscribe if you want to. And hopefully we'll have some more projects right here on this brand new table that we fabricated here in the near future using our brand new clamps. Appreciate you guys. Y'all have a good one.